Hello and welcome little learners to Learn from Home session. My name is Shrutika S Lohar from Deonar Colony Municipal English School number 1, and today we are going to learn maths. Today's topic is formation of numbers. Let's begin. You can form different words using any given alphabets. We have practiced it in previous standard. If alphabets given are A, C, T, L, E and G, rearranging these alphabets we can create many words. For example, cat, let and get. We can do this activity with numbers too. Now we will learn to form 3-digit numbers using given numbers. If the given numbers are 8, 7 and 6, we can rearrange these numbers to create more 3-digit numbers. For example, 786, 786. 867, 867. 687, 687. This is how we can create more numbers rearranging the given numbers. You just have to observe the given numbers and arrange them by reorganizing their order every time. Let's take example of these given numbers. Suppose given numbers are 3, 2 and 4 or 324. You just have to reorganize the given numbers in this manner. Like I have changed the order of numbers and created 4, 2, 3, 423. One more example of reorganizing these numbers in different order is 342. 234 is one more example. So out of 3, 2 and 4 we can create many numbers like this. Now let's reorganize numbers in specific order to get the biggest 3-digit number. If the given number is 149 and we are supposed to create biggest number using number 1, 4 and 9, what shall we do? First we will have to take 9 because it is biggest number of all. Then the remaining numbers that we have are 1 and 4. Out of that 4 is the biggest number. So after 9 we will write 4. And the remaining number is 1. So we get the biggest 3-digit number, that is 941. Now let's reorganize numbers in specific order to get the biggest 3-digit number. One more example of that. Suppose if number given is 230, what we will have to do to create the biggest 3-digit number out of this 2, 3 and 0 number? First we will have to write the biggest number, that is 3. Then we have remaining numbers 2 and 0. 0 is the smallest number but 2 is bigger than 0, so we will write 2 after 3 and then we will write the remaining number, that is 0. So we get the biggest 3-digit number out of 230 is 3, 2 and 0. Now let's reorganize numbers in specific order to get the smallest 3-digit number. Let's see how to create the smallest 3-digit number. Suppose if 325, 3, 2 and 5 is the given number. Here we will have to identify the smallest number first. So first we will write 2. After writing 2, remaining numbers will be 3 and 5. After that, 5 is the biggest number, but that should come at the end. So 3 is smaller. So we will write 3 and at the end we will write 5. So we get the smallest 3-digit number out of these numbers is 235, 235. Now let's reorganize numbers in specific order to get the smallest 3-digit number. One more example, 927, 927. What we will have to do to create the smallest 3-digit number? First, we will write the smallest number here, that is 2. Now we have remaining numbers 9 and 7. 7 is smaller than 9, so after 2 we will write 7. And 9 is the last number that we have, which is biggest, so that we will write at the end. So the smallest 3-digit number that we get here is 279. Let's take another example. Here given numbers are 9, 0, 8. Form the biggest 3-digit number. What will you do? First, to arrange biggest 3-digit number, we need to identify which is the biggest number here. So in this example, 9 is the biggest number. So we will write 9 first. Now we have 0 and 8. 0 is smallest number, but we want the biggest one. Here the biggest one is 8, so we will write 8. And now we will write the remaining number, that is 0. So our final answer is 980, 980. Let's take another example. Example number 3. Given numbers are 6, 2 and 3, 623. Form the biggest 3-digit number. What will you do? To form biggest 3-digit number, first we will have to identify which is the biggest number here. In this case, we have 6 as the biggest number, so we will write 6 first. Then the remaining numbers are 2 and 3. So here 2 is the smallest number, 3 is bigger than or greater than 2, so we will write 3. Now we have last remaining number, that is 2. So our final answer is 632. That is the biggest number we can create out of 6, 2 and 3. Let's see one more example. Example number 4. Given numbers are 6, 2 and 3. Form the biggest 3-digit number. Biggest number is 6. After that we have another bigger number, that is 3, and the smallest number 2. So final answer is 632. Next example, here we have to form smallest 3-digit number using 9, 4 and 8. 948 is the number given. What we will do first, we need to identify which is the smallest number here. Here we have 4 as the smallest number. After writing 4, we have 8 and 9. Now 9 is greater than 8. So we will write 8 here and we will write 9 at the end. So our final answer is 4, 8 and 9. Example number 6. Given numbers are 240, 240, and we have been told to organize and rearrange these numbers to get the smallest 3-digit number. What shall we do? Let's see, this is a different example. Here we have 0 as the smallest number of all, but 0 does not have any value. It means 0 means nothing. So we will not write 0 at first. We will first observe the remaining numbers. Here we have 2 and 4 as remaining number. Out of that, 2 is the smallest number that we will write first. Now we have 4 and 0 left with us. So which is the smallest number here? 4 is greater than 0. 0 is the smallest number that we will write after 2, and then we will write the remaining number, that is 4. So now we have smallest 3-digit number here, that is 204. Let's see one more example of this type. Now here we have 602, that is 602 given here, and again we have to form smallest 3-digit number. Now we will write 2 first, because 0 does not have any value we have seen, so we cannot write 0. So first we will write 2. Now we have remaining 6 and 0, so out of that we will write 0 here first, because that is smaller than 6, and now the greatest number, that is 6. So our final answer is 206. Thank you very much, little learners, for watching this video. Listen to this video again and try to practice as many problems of this type you can. See you in the next session of Learn from Home. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.